Hey guys, let's talk mature glow. Today I'm showing you the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter, the budget-friendly makeup product everyone's talking about. Okay, so this is unscripted. As you can see, the bottle is sealed. We are going on this journey together. This is skincare meets makeup. It's got squalene and hyaluronic acid for hydration to give you that glowy finish. I'm applying this to one half of my face using the shade 00 Fair. Full disclosure, I was really worried how this product would look on my 58-year-old skin. Wow, I'm blown away. It plays beautifully with mature skin. If you're looking for a quick, easy glow anyone can do, this product is a must. I've linked it below so you can grab yours. Let me know if you've tried this product before. I love hearing from you guys. And if you love beauty content, check out my other drugstore videos.